Oh no! Okay.
Yoo-hoo!
I need a cupboard. Thank you. There are still a few things missing.
Yes, sir.
We need another chair.
Yoo-hoo!
Let's go.
Need some toiletries.
Okay already.
NANI?!
Okay.
Let's go! Will look beautiful after taking a bath. That's so great!
yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
Yahoo!
Bye-bye. Okay.
I need a few things. Let's continue. Help.
Okay. Yes!
All right, let's go!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it's squeezing.
At 29 and I find myself wondering,
Let's go.
what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life fast
Your
forward,
dress is
never
beautiful.
turned back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but
Thank you for coming out tonight. We hope you enjoyed the show. We love you.